Alright guys, so, exciting video today. We're actually redoing the springs on my pickup, my black one, and it's a 1990 first generation Dodge Cummins. It's got an automatic 4-speed in it, and the springs on the back left corner broke. I'm not sure why. I wasn't hauling a big load when they did, but I must have hit a bump just right. I'm not sure. So the springs broke, and so I've got to replace the springs. So I've purchased some used springs off a friend of mine, and we're actually going to his shop to put them in, but first, on the video, we're replacing the grill. So now it is replaced because I'm doing the intro after I'm all done with all this stuff, because you never know if it'll work or not. But the grill is replaced, as you guys can see. We replaced the chrome here, we painted this blue, and we painted this black. We replaced all of it. There's no dents, anything in here. So with that said, guys, let's get on with it. And we will continue on the videos. There will be befores and after photos of all of that stuff. And then at the end of it, we're going to be replacing the springs on my friend Toby's lift, which has his truck featured in the videos previously to this. And actually in this same video, his truck will be featured. So with that said, let's get started on day 1, and then day 2 will be springs. Alright guys, so here's my friend's truck. It's been on the channel previous videos. It's two-tone blue, and we just got done putting a blue exhaust on it. It's color matched to the pickup, so we're going to see how it holds up, guys. It definitely looks awesome. It's hard to tell in the video, but it is definitely an awesome looking color match for his truck. Alright guys, so we got the truck. It's in town. It's made a hot run. It's running right now. You guys can see that the paint held up well. Even though it's not heat tempered, it definitely held up well. So there it is, guys. Definitely looks awesome. Paint matches the truck perfectly. So this morning we are headed to Toby's that has been in the previous videos. His two-tone blue truck has been also. You can see I've got my first gen loaded on the back. We're headed there to get the springs worked on because they are majorly broken, guys. So we'll show you more of that when we get there. But with that said, let's get started. Voila! I think we got her fixed.
Let's just hurry up before it cools down and get that beat out.
Well, maybe not. Maybe I'm pounding it the wrong way.
Let me get some for a punch.
Yeah, I need a punch.
Can you hold up for me?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta go get some sunglasses.
Fire! Remember everyone, on YouTube, safety first. It is key on everything, including torch. We forgot the marshmallows, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so if you can see this, Toby is doing an awesome job. And you can see there's one spring left, which is the main spring that holds it all together. And there's a hole in that, if you can see that, and it bolts to that. So the way it works is that we've got all our springs over there, and you can see there's two busted ones there, and there's one that we're going to have to recut right over there because it's rusted out, actually, rusted a hole through. And those are the pieces. So this goes under the axle, this goes over the axle, and that little piece goes on top of the, right here, on top of the top spring. So we got new U-bolts, and we got our new bolt to go there to hold them all in, because Toby said it was a necessity, although I really don't see why falling springs out on the back end running 70 miles an hour is a necessity. But, so with that said, got her all done, and looks like Toby wet it down to cool it down. So now we got, oh, and before I forget, you guys can see that. This is the one issue. You can see the hole, so let's get on with it. Alright guys, so with that said, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe and hit the like button. So with that said, let's get rolling on to the next one.